Center for the Ethiopian Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on the importance of knowledge. Today, we are beginning a new unit. In this unit, you will study the relationship between knowledge and data. You will also learn about the necessity for reading to acquire more knowledge. As well, you will study the relationship between myth and tradition. This unit will cover some very interesting topics, and I am eager to begin. In today's lesson, we will be focusing on the importance of knowledge. Specifically, we will talk about the relationship between knowledge, reasoning, and objectivity. Students, human beings have accumulated knowledge over the centuries because they are naturally curious creatures. It is part of being human to wonder about the world and to want to know more. We ask questions about our origins and the history of the earth. We try to fit our life experiences into greater patterns of meaning. We want to learn about how to do things better, faster, and more efficiently. All of these questions lead us to learn, and the things that we learn become part of our system of knowledge. Students, let us start with a fun activity. This activity will be in several stages. In the first stage, I would like you to think of something about which you are curious. Take a moment to write down the subject of your curiosity.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, everyone. You are all very curious people, are you not? I am sure that you have all listed different things about which you are curious. Now, please think about how you can satisfy your curiosity on the subject you wrote down a moment ago. What can you do to learn more? Please write down 3 things that you can do to satisfy your curiosity.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, students. Perhaps you listed that you could learn more about a topic of interest by reading about it. Or you might be interested in how something works, so you could learn more about it by testing its functions or by taking it apart piece by piece. Be sure you know how to put it back together again. Perhaps you are curious about how to do something, in which case you can ask someone to teach you. There are many different ways we can learn about the things that make us curious, are there not? Now, for the final stage of this activity, I would like you to think about the truth of your information. In order to satisfy your curiosity on a certain subject, you seek for more information about it. How do you know that the information is true? Discuss this question with a partner, referring to your specific topics of interest. Do your best, students. I will see you in a few minutes.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Well done, everyone. I hope you had good discussions with your partners. There are different ways of ensuring that information is true or correct. If you gain information by reading about a certain subject, you can read other sources on the same topic. If they all say similar things, you can be fairly sure that the information is accurate. If you are curious about how to do something and you ask to be taught, you can verify the quality of the information you are given based on whether or not you are able to perform the activity successfully. This three-part activity has revealed several things about knowledge. Firstly, it reveals that knowledge begins with curiosity. Next, we gain knowledge about the things we are interested in by asking questions or by seeking information. Finally, we must verify our information to make sure that it is accurate and true. This process is how knowledge develops and accumulates. Students, knowledge helps humans to develop the power of reasoning. Reasoning is a process of thought that helps to make objective judgments. It is the power of the human mind to think, understand, and form judgments by a process of logic. Objectivity means that a person is not influenced by personal feelings or opinions when considering facts. Knowledge, reasoning, and objectivity are related. When a person pairs reason with knowledge, it is possible to reach an objective conclusion. The basis of objective judgment is knowledge and the reason that we bring to it. Knowledge improves our lives by making us more aware of the world around us. Knowledge is essential for democracy. A democratic system depends upon its citizens' knowledge because it depends upon their ability to make good decisions about governance and policy. In order to be able to make wise decisions, citizens have to be informed. In this image, you see a group of young men gathered around a newspaper. They are informing themselves about what is happening in their country and around the world. Students, take a few minutes to write down how knowledge empowers you.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up! Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back. Knowledge empowers you because it allows you to exercise reason to gain an objective perspective. This will enable you to make sound judgments. Ethiopia's development depends upon its citizens' knowledge. As young people, you will become Ethiopia's new leaders. This video of the African Leadership Academy shows how young people are educated to become the next generation of African leaders. This is all the time we have for this lesson. We have learned about the importance of knowledge and the relationship between knowledge, reasoning, and objectivity. The next time we are together, we will explore the relationship between knowledge and data, and we will learn about receiving and identifying relevant information and analyzing data. Until then, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.